Welcome to FaFiFu Home. FaFiFu Home presents
Beautiful stone house on the hill, stunning nature-inspired architecture, and timeless mountain living. Welcome to Best House Design Ideas, where today we journey to a breathtaking world of architectural beauty, perched high above the landscape. One, Stone Hill House Design. The beauty of a stone hill house design lies in its natural integration with the landscape, creating a home that feels both grounded and elevated at the same time. This approach celebrates organic textures, thoughtful architecture, and breathtaking scenery, offering a unique blend of strength and serenity that inspires anyone seeking a timeless living environment. Two, Mountain Stone Architecture. Mountain stone architecture showcases the remarkable harmony between rugged terrain and structural integrity. With its bold stone foundations and panoramic horizons, this design style symbolizes endurance and elegance. It invites you to appreciate craftsmanship that echoes the enduring beauty of the mountain itself, delivering a truly inspiring living experience. Three, Rustic Hillside Home Ideas. Rustic hillside home ideas bring an inviting charm to elevated landscapes, embracing raw materials and warm, earthy tones. This timeless design concept creates a peaceful atmosphere where every detail feels authentic and connected to its natural surroundings. It encourages homeowners to blend comfort with character in unforgettable ways. Four, Elevated Stone Cottage. An elevated stone cottage offers a picturesque escape enriched by sturdy craftsmanship and captivating hilltop settings. Its stone walls reflect enduring stability while its airy views inspire calmness. This charming architectural style provides a warm, comforting ambience that captures the heart with its simplicity and timeless appeal. Five, Natural Stone Exterior House. A natural stone exterior house exudes strength, texture, and visual richness, making it an enduring architectural statement. This design highlights the organic imperfections of stone while creating a protective, visually appealing shell. The result is a home that feels at once secure, welcoming, and beautifully connected to its environment. Six, Hilltop House Inspiration. Hilltop house inspiration often begins with the breathtaking scenery that accompanies elevated living. These designs maximize views, harness natural light, and embrace architectural balance. Whether modern or traditional, a hilltop home symbolizes tranquility, openness, and a harmonious relationship with the land. Seven, Modern Stone Hillside Villa. A modern stone hillside villa transforms classic stonework into a contemporary masterpiece. Clean lines, wide windows, and sculptural architecture breathe fresh sophistication into rugged terrain. This combination merges modern refinement with natural textures, creating a luxurious yet grounded living space that celebrates style and substance. Eight, stone and wood mountain home. A stone and wood mountain home radiates warmth while showcasing nature's most enduring materials. The mix of stone and timber creates an inviting contrast where strength meets comfort. This architectural harmony brings character, durability, and a deep sense of belonging nestled within the landscape. Nine, scenic hill house design. Scenic hill house design celebrates the art of capturing extraordinary views through thoughtful architectural framing. These homes are crafted to highlight sunrises, rolling landscapes, and dramatic terrain. Every element, from window placement to material selection, supports the goal of merging beauty with breathtaking perspective. Ten, stonehouse landscape ideas. Stonehouse landscape ideas often center on enhancing the natural beauty already present in the environment. By adding terraces, pathways, and native plantings, homeowners can create a cohesive aesthetic that elevates both architecture and surroundings. It's a powerful way to deepen the home's connection to nature. (11) Hill house with panoramic views. A hill house with panoramic views promises a living experience enriched by limitless horizons. Wide windows, extended decks, and elevated spaces highlight the freedom of open landscapes. This design philosophy encourages appreciation for nature's grandeur and invites peaceful moments at every turn. (12) Stone retreat on the hill. A stone retreat on the hill offers a sanctuary of tranquility and strength. Its solid exterior and serene surroundings create a harmonious escape from the fast pace of modern life. This design promotes grounding, reflection, and a deeper connection with the natural world. (13) Eco-friendly stone home. An eco-friendly stone home embraces sustainable materials, energy efficiency, and long-lasting design. By using natural resources responsibly, this architectural approach fosters environmental stewardship without compromising beauty or comfort. It's a future-forward style built on integrity, resilience, and natural harmony. (14) Luxury stone hill residence. A luxury stone hill residence merges opulence with natural artistry. From expansive terraces to meticulously crafted stone walls, this home reflects refined elegance in every detail. It provides a breathtaking haven where sophistication meets tranquil hilltop living in an unforgettable way. (15) Classic Hillside Stone House. A classic hillside stone house evokes nostalgia and timeless charm. With its traditional craftsmanship and enduring materials, it stands as a testament to architectural heritage. This design approach honors history while offering a warm, inviting atmosphere infused with beauty and purpose. (16) Contemporary Stone Mountain Cabin. A contemporary stone mountain cabin blends modern aesthetics with enduring stone elements. With clean lines, expansive glazing, and innovative forms, it creates an elevated living experience rooted in simplicity. Such a home embraces both innovation and nature with grace and inspiration. (17) Stone House with Terrace Views. A stone house with terrace views celebrates the art of open-air living. Terraces offer serene outdoor spaces that capture breezes, sunlight, and far-reaching vistas. This architectural style encourages relaxation and appreciation for the natural world in its most peaceful form. (18) Hilltop Stone Estate. A hilltop stone estate embodies grandeur, stability, and breathtaking scale. Its elevated position commands stunning perspectives, while its architectural craftsmanship highlights enduring materials. This type of home delivers both strength and beauty, creating a remarkable space for inspired living. (19) Traditional Stone Hill Cottage. A traditional stone hill cottage reflects simple elegance shaped by heritage and craftsmanship. Its intimate spaces and rustic textures tell a story of enduring design. This charming architectural style offers a warm, inviting environment, rooted in authenticity and timeless appeal. (20) Mountain Retreat Stone Home. A mountain retreat stone home provides a serene getaway surrounded by natural splendor. Its strong stone structure stands resilient in rugged landscapes while offering a calm, nurturing interior. This harmonious balance between form and nature creates a deeply enriching living environment. (21) Stone House with Natural Setting. A stone house with natural setting blends seamlessly with the environment, showcasing how architecture can enhance rather than disrupt the landscape. With strategic placement and natural materials, these homes create a peaceful lifestyle surrounded by beauty and stillness. Thank you for watching Best House Design Ideas, where we highlight the world's most inspiring architecture and the stories behind every structure. If this beautiful stone house on the hill has sparked your imagination, make sure to join us again for more breathtaking designs that bring creativity and nature together.